Hey gentlemen, quick question. How many times have you been told eggs are the ultimate muscle food? Pretty much every health article and morning show says it, right? But what if I told you there are 7 foods cheaper than a dozen eggs that can rebuild your muscles, reduce inflammation, and fight age-related muscle loss, even if you're 70? That's right. You don't need fancy protein powders, expensive shakes, or to eat eggs every single morning to stay strong. In this video, I'm going to walk you through these 7 underrated, affordable muscle-building foods that quietly repair muscle tissue, boost energy, and help you stay independent. Some of them are probably already in your kitchen, and one of them even costs less than your morning coffee. And before we dive in, if you're watching this right now, hit like, comment below, where are you watching from? And subscribe for daily tips on strength, longevity, and nutrition for men over 60. Here's the thing, most advice you get after 60 focuses on the same old cliches, eggs, protein shakes, or just eat more. But here's the harsh truth, your muscles don't respond the same way they did at 30. Sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle with age, is sneaky and relentless. If you aren't eating foods that are easy to digest, high in protein, rich in nutrients, and affordable, you're essentially letting your muscles slowly deteriorate. Energy dips, stiff knees, shaky balance, and fatigue aren't just normal aging. They're avoidable consequences of poor nutrition. I'm Dr. Jocelyn Carter, and I've spent the last 5 years specializing in men's health after 60. I've helped hundreds of men regain their strength, confidence, and independence without expensive supplements or complicated routines. And the secret? Smart, affordable, nutrient-dense foods that target muscle repair, inflammation, and overall vitality. The foods I'm about to share are backed by biology. They provide high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and minerals your muscles and nerves need to function optimally. They're also practical, easy to prep, easy to digest, and won't drain your wallet. Let's start by talking about the 3 biggest mistakes men over 60 make when trying to preserve muscle. Mistake number 1, relying on eggs or protein powders alone. Eggs are great, but eating them every day isn't necessary, and protein powders are often expensive and heavily processed. Biologically, your muscles need variety and complete amino acid profiles to rebuild efficiently. Emotionally, eating the same thing daily can become a chore, and practically, it's not sustainable long-term. Mistake number 2, ignoring plant-based proteins. Many seniors dismiss plant proteins, but foods like lentils, black beans, and peanut butter are nutrient-dense, gentle on digestion, and provide slow-burning energy. Skipping them can lead to midday energy crashes and progressive muscle loss. Mistake number 3, overlooking micronutrients and healthy fats. Muscles need more than protein. They need magnesium, calcium, potassium, vitamin D, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Neglecting these nutrients can make you stiff, fatigued, and more prone to injury, even if you eat enough protein. Now that we've cleared up what not to do, let's talk about the 7 foods that actually work. 1, lentils. Lentils are one of the cheapest muscle powerhouses in the grocery store. 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you 18 grams plant-based protein. Fiber for gut health and blood sugar stability. Magnesium and folate to support nerve function and muscle coordination. Biologically, lentils give your muscles steady fuel, preventing breakdown and helping you maintain strength. Emotionally, you'll feel less fatigued and steadier on your feet. Practically, lentils are soft, easy to digest, and versatile. Add them to soups, stews, salads, or mix with rice. Red, green, black, or brown, pick your favorite. Each variety supports muscle recovery and inflammation control without spiking blood sugar. 2, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a senior's secret weapon because it contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles for 6 to 8 hours, especially overnight. Biologically, keeps your muscles in repair mode while you sleep, preventing breakdown. Emotionally, stronger legs, steadier balance, and easier mobility. Practically, no cooking required, half a cup before bed is enough. It's also rich in calcium for muscle contraction and B vitamins for energy metabolism. Bonus, tryptophan helps with sleep, improving recovery and focus. 3, peanut butter. Don't dismiss peanut butter as just for kids. 1 spoonful gives plant-based protein, heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, approximately 90 calories of dense digestible fuel. Biologically, it supports muscle repair and hormone regulation, especially testosterone. Emotionally, it keeps you satisfied and prevents energy dips. Practically, it's easy to add to toast, oatmeal, bananas, or Greek yogurt. Tip: choose natural peanut butter, peanuts, and maybe a pinch of salt only, no added sugars or hydrogenated oils. 4. Tuna. Tuna is convenient, affordable, and packed with protein and omega-3s. Biologically, omega-3s reduce joint inflammation and enhance muscle protein synthesis. Emotionally, less stiffness, better mobility. Practically ready in seconds, toss in a salad, wrap, or with rice. One can often gives 20 grams of protein for under $1, making it a muscle-friendly, budget-friendly staple. Just watch mercury intake. Opt for light tuna and vary protein sources. 5. Black beans. Black beans are not just for gut health, they're muscle-building superheroes, packed with protein, fiber, and magnesium. Paired with rice or quinoa, they provide a complete protein. Biologically, magnesium supports muscle contractions and nerve signaling. Emotionally, prevents cramps, supports endurance. Practically affordable, easy to cook in batches, versatile for soups, wraps, and salads. They have a low glycemic index, keeping blood sugar steady and energy sustained. 6. Oats, upgraded. Plain oats aren't muscle food alone. They're mostly carbs, but when upgraded, they become a morning powerhouse. Add cottage cheese for slow digesting protein. Mix in peanut butter for healthy fats. Add Greek yogurt or protein powder to boost leucine. Top with chia seeds, flax, or berries for antioxidants and omega-3s. Biologically, this combination provides steady amino acids and micronutrients. Emotionally, it keeps you satisfied and energized. Practically, it's fast, easy, and delicious. 7. Sardines. Sardines might not be glamorous, but they are tiny nutrient bombs, high in protein, calcium, vitamin D, and collagen. Support muscles, bones, and circulation. Biologically, protein and omega-3s build and repair muscle, support joints. Emotionally, stronger posture, better balance, less joint pain. Practically easy to eat on crackers, in salads, or straight from the can. A few servings a week is enough for measurable benefits. Here's the secret most men miss. Consistency matters more than perfection. Pick 2 to 3 foods from this list and rotate them through your meals this week. Your muscles don't care about trends, they care about steady nutrition. Remember, muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable. With the right foods, even modest changes can give you more energy throughout the day, stronger legs and better balance, confidence in daily movement. You don't need a fancy diet or expensive supplements, just strategic, affordable, nutrient-dense meals. So here's your action plan. Forget eggs for a minute. Focus on lentils, cottage cheese, tuna, black beans, peanut butter, oats, and sardines. Mix, match, rotate, and enjoy. Consistency beats trends. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more daily tips, and tell me in the comments, which of these 7 foods will you try first? Gentlemen, age isn't the end of vitality. Small intentional changes to your nutrition can bring strength, independence, and confidence. Start today, and your body will thank you for years to come.